Alright, so hello, and today's video is going to be on how I achieved this eye look using the lovely lilac collection from Dinair. So if you're interested in learning how to get this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so the lovely lilac comes with 4 shades. We have Villain, Vanity, Lilac, and Deep Purple. And to start this look off, I'm just going to go ahead and use Dinair Neutralizing Camouflage shade Honey Beige as a base on the lid like so. Then I'm going to go in with Deep Purple, which is this shade right here. And we're just going to go ahead and apply that to the transition crease area. Okay, then I'm going to go in with shade of Vanity, which is this one here, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that all over the lid, blending it out toward the outer lid. Yeah, this shade is so pretty. I absolutely love it. If you have not tried it yet, I definitely recommend trying it. It's absolutely beautiful. After Vanity, I'm going to go in with the shade Lilac, which is this beautiful shade here, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to the outer corner of the lid, kind of like halfway through the mid lid, but a little bit close to the outer corner, if that makes sense. Then I'm going to go in with Villain, which is this beautiful pop of color here, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that just slightly over the lilac like so. Then I'm going to take my shadow shield and then just define the outer corner, outer V with the same shade Villain, and then just increase the intensity to get that nice depth and dimension. Then I'm going to take a 1-to-1 mixture of Villain and Vanity, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the mid lid. You gotta play with that airbrush mixology, girl. Beautiful. Okay, and here is a swatch of that beautiful shade. If you are not doing some I Heart Airbrush mixology, you are missing out, honey. Mix them shades. So now I'm just going to go ahead and conceal my blemishes using Dinair Neutralizing Camouflage shade Honey Beige and Olive Beige mixed together at a 1-to-1 ratio. And just going to conceal the rest of my face. Then I'm going to take Dinair Glamour shade Dark Almond and just go ahead and cut them cheeks. Give myself a little bit of a contour because you know I like that contour. Can't forget the nose. Just slim it down a little bit. Okay, and once I'm done contouring, I'm just going to go in with Dinair Glamour shade Dark Peach Pink and apply a soft blush, a little flush. Then I'm going to take Dinair Soft Glow shades Honey Beige and Nutmeg. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply my foundation like so. Then to highlight, I'm going to take Dinair Limited Edition shade Hug Me. Absolutely beautiful. They don't sell it anymore, but I still got mine. I'm running out though. Then I'm going to do my brows, taking Dinair Kohler Brow shade Dark Smoke and my favorite 8C stencil. Then I'm going to go in with airliner using Dinair Glamour shade Jet Black and Cat Eye and stencil. Give myself a little wang. Then I'm going to take Mary Kay Lash Love Mascara and coat the lashes. And to finish the look off, I'm going to take Dinair Liquid Lipstick in the shade Love Spell. This is one of their brand new shades. It's absolutely stunning. Definitely recommend you try their liquid lipsticks if you haven't already. So this is the finished look. Yay! Absolutely love how this look came out, and I will be rocking it, of course. If you want to see pictures of this look as well as swatches from this video, I will post them to my Instagram feed. So just make sure you're following tag I Heart Airbrush, and they will be posted there, as well as on my Facebook page, which is I Heart Airbrush as well, if you want to go ahead and follow me there. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Of course, because you gotta like it first to give it a thumbs up. And also remember to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And if you choose to subscribe today, or if you are already subscribed, make sure to hit that little bell icon right next to the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. That way you get the quickest updates anytime I upload a video. Alright loves, thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next one. Bye!